A friendly welcome at the booth in Milano. We are proud to show you our newest highlights and technologies so that you can feel the magic of Okuma. My name is Pablo Lichti and I'm product manager for the machining centers. The demands for vertical machining center has been extended table sizes for bigger workpieces, high torque spindles and increased accuracy for die and mold specification. The answer is our brand new vertical machining center, the MB80V, which is the extended model range of our very well-known MBV series. It has in standard a table size of 1600 by 800, or even we can see in the background by even 2 meters and 800 width. So you have a wide variety of big parts which you can mount on the table, or several small parts. Those are fully usable as the touch setter is mounted sidewise to the table and due to the huge Y-axis stroke of 1050 millimeter all over the whole table. The maximum loading capacities for this machine is up to 4 tons. As common for the Okuma Vertical Machining Center, it is based on a rock-solid cast iron machine bed and it is in a double column construction. Therefore, also we can use the full power of the spindle, of the high torque spindle, which has more than 300 Newton meter torque. As you can see now, the chips flying all over the machine. As at the opposite, we can achieve the high accuracy demands in the die and mold sectors. As we can see here, the results of the well-known Milano dome picture milling, which takes approximately 6 hours milling time. And the different steps heights are in micron levels, which the machine can achieve. Regarding the accuracy, you can see that the machine bed, the inside, is completely sheet metal covered, which ensures no negative influence of the heat from the chips or the coolant to the machine bed. That is only one point of our thermo-friendly concept, which we invented in 2002 already. Another is the structure of the whole machine bed, so that if it grows parallel to the axis movement, so we easily can compensate in tenths of micron with our controller. That guarantees you the whole day long the high precision and makes your life much easier. So if you want to increase your quality and your profitability, please get in contact with us.